I'm hot, and this is take number 37. It's your favorite ballsy.
Now everybody wanna
be Shit, just know I'm the king.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to watch me install this. Welcome back to my channel, MelaKings and Queens. We are going to do an amazing review on this unit.
I'm going to do an, I don't even know if it's going to be amazing, but I'm just going to do a review on this unit on my head, okay? I'm just tired. I just want to be honest with y'all. I've been trying to tape this intro and tell y'all that I'm going to do a review on this unit from Beauty Forever Hair. And this is like take number I don't even remember, but just know that it's gonna be in 3x really quick mode of me installing this to my scalp. Hopefully you enjoy this. Thank you. From now on, I will be putting my wigs on my head prior to taping. And then you guys are just gonna have to watch the aftermath because I needed somebody to help me hold it down because I didn't use I didn't use Bolt Hold. And Bolt Hold is like an instant like stick and I just wasn't going to do it. But this is the wig after I've applied it. Ignore, I just can't win, y'all. Okay. So I broke my rat tail comb in the process, but we're just gonna work with what we have. I'm gonna try to do a center split so that you guys can see. I'm looking in like the little preview. See how deep that part is, girl. It goes all the way up to here, but let me find the center of my head. Hopefully this is the center and y'all are not judging me in the comments, but okay. There's the center part. It's a 13x6. I really don't think it's a 13x6 because then when I tried to part from like over here, like there's tracks. The tracks start up to like right here. So it's like a lace front, but then I guess your parting space goes only up to like your corners right here. Which is fine because where else was I going, right? So we're gonna try to do a center part and then we will go from there. I forgot the brush. Okay, so I've gone ahead. I don't know why I yelled okay, to be honest. So I've gone ahead and I've wet the hair from toe to top to toe, and it is super full. So when I was online, it came in two different densities, 150 and 180. And then I read all the comments below and they were just like, yo, get the 150, get the 150. I watched YouTube videos that also said get the 150. So I said I better get this 150 and it better not be skimpy. And it is not skimpy. Even like wet, it still feels heavy. I'm gonna try to stand up. I don't have much back there, so nobody judge me on what you see. But lengthwise, I got a 24-inch, which comes right above my butt, or what there is left of my butt. So it's pretty long. It even stretches longer. Let me stand up so you can get a front. I don't have a bra on, so y'all just gonna have to see what you see. Sorry. But it's pretty long and it's pretty full. I tried, oh, my clips. sorry. I have clips on me. Y'all know this is a process. So when I tell you I tried, I need you to believe that I tried to do these baby hairs. But I tried to do a little sunshine over here. Don't judge back here. I was going through a lot. And then I tried again on this side. But I got some baby hairs going. And this is their HD transparent lace. At first when I got it, I was like, whoa, this is a little too white. But then I went ahead and don't judge me, but I like licked my finger and then I pressed the lace and then it matched my skin complexion. So I was like, okay, we just need to apply a little bit of the got to be and it'll match. And here we are. I don't think I need to do the bald cap method, to be honest. I think it probably would have matched my true tone a little bit more if I didn't put foundation on the tan bald cap that they gave me, and then I'll also put foundation on the wig. I think if I just glued it down to my regular scalp, it probably would have matched me perfectly. But I knew I was going to be wearing makeup, so yeah, that's what we did. So hopefully this was as in-depth. It's really full, y'all. Like, this is good for 150. I have 150 density straight wigs that are not even this full. So I'm very happy. The curls are very soft. Yeah, I'm definitely probably going to order from this company again. Right below if you have anything that I didn't cover in this video. But I think that's about it. I didn't want it to be too long. I just wanted to give you guys my initial review, and then I guess I'll be back in a month. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you like my new intro video. Thank you. Somebody made it for me because I'm not that artistically creative. So there you have it. So thank you for watching, you guys. Again, comment, subscribe, like this video if you thought it was beneficial. Hopefully it was. I didn't really talk about clips and stuff. It's got the regular average, 2 sides and then 1 in the back. What am I forgetting? It's a natural brown. I normally dye my wigs black, but I think I might just keep this color because it's a curly wig, and once you add water it gets dark anyways. But yeah, okay, I'm done rambling. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Dark skin baddie and she stand at 5'7". Shorty got degrees, so you know her ass is driven. She's a melanin. Dark skin baby, she's a melanin. Dark skin poppin', cocoa butter glitter, drama and